Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So guys, in this part of the video, before we get into it, I'm working with a beautiful jewellery brand called Ana Luisa. If you haven't heard of Ana Luisa before, let me tell you about it. So it's a sustainable and affordable jewellery brand, and they reached out to me a couple of days ago and asked if I'd like to collaborate with them and work with them in today's video. So they've kindly sent me over these gorgeous earrings I'm wearing today and this beautiful pendant necklace. I'm always on the hunt for some really nice pieces of jewellery. I'm trying to build up my jewellery, whether it's costume jewellery or high-end jewellery or that little bit in between. We're always on the hunt for really nice jewellery, and I want to up my ring game as well and see what Ana Luisa have to offer. So Ana Luisa are an American based jewellery brand in New York City, guys, and they reached out to me, and I'm going to be showcasing this lovely jewellery for you guys today. If you've never heard of Ana Luisa before, I'll link it down below so you can go check it out. There is a few hidden offers in there for you just to check it out, see if you want to try Ana Luisa. These are some beautiful little earrings that they kindly sent me over. They're double looped, which I really like, and they've got like little pearls in them or little crystal-y things in them. Anyway, they've got something that's really nice and cute. So they do like bold statement jewellery, and they also do this beautiful dainty range, perfect for Christmas, perfect for birthdays, Valentine's. If you want to just buy your partner or yourself some jewellery, then I will definitely leave the link down below for you guys. So it's tarnish resistant, so you can wear this over time and it will not tarnish. How amazing is that? So basically you can sleep in it, you can go to the shower in it, you can wear it constantly and it will not tarnish. And they've got a 2-year guarantee on all their jewellery as well, guys, which is absolutely amazing. And they're sustainable. They are sustainable. They think about the planet, which is absolutely amazing. So they don't overmine places and things like that. They're very mindful of the planet and everything, and they're eco-friendly, and their carbon footprint, they're on it, guys. They are on it. So if you want to check out Ana Luisa, I will leave it in the link down below for you guys to go and check it out. These pieces are absolutely timeless and gorgeous, and I will wear them all the time. They are so beautiful and they're so easy. Even with my claws, I managed to put on the necklace by myself and pop in the earrings. I don't have any bother about that either with, like I say, wearing my claws. It was super easy, and I'll definitely be checking out Ana Luisa some more because I've seen some rings that I like. You know that big oval ring? Everyone's wearing them at the moment. They've got them in bright green and yellows and all this, and guys, I have been obsessed with it at the minute. So I want to build up my jewellery game. So Ana Luisa were perfect when they reached out to me and asked if I'd like to collaborate with them on this video. So yeah, I just think they're great, and I've seen other influencers, let's say, I've seen it on their channel when they've showcased Ana Luisa before, and I've been thinking, you know, I want to try them out. I'm always on the hunt for nice jewellery, and Ana Luisa have some really nice jewellery. So whether it's costume jewellery you're after, like big statement jewellery, or little pieces, then they've got it for you. Like I say, I will leave the link down below for you guys to go and check that out. And without further ado, if you'd like to see how I come up with this look for today, this fall inspired autumnal winter glam, then continue to watch. Jumping straight in then, guys. How gorgeous is this jewellery? Like, how stinking gorgeous is this jewellery right now? I'm in love with this necklace. Anything really dainty and girly It's definitely my vibe and I'm absolutely loving it. I think it's definitely going to be my favourite. So let's just jump straight in. So I'm going to bring you guys closer because I'm going to start off with the eyes. And I want to play around with some makeup today, guys, because it's been a while, it's been a hot minute since I played with some makeup, and I'm feeling the fall vibes. I'm feeling, you know, that chocolatey brown goodness and the sparkle. It's all about the sparkle this time of year. I'm just gonna jump on in. So as always, I'm gonna start with some skincare. So I'm going to use the rice toner. How glass like that leaves my skin. I'm going to go in with a moisturizer. So this is the Lancome peptide cream moisturizer. Got a couple of friends here on the skin at the minute. P. Louise base. This is in Ruma 0.5 and everything will be linked down below, as well as the Ana Luisa link will be down below if you want to check them out. So we're going to use this bougie one, which is the Dior, what's it called? The Dior Show eyeshadow palette. Stunning. I mean, look at the colours in there. That just screams autumn to me. Darkest shade, which is this one here. So I'm going to pick up that. Oh, that just screams autumn. Not so much a cut crease, but I'm just going to cut a little bit out of the, well, yeah, I suppose it is a cut crease maybe. Can't you tell it's been a while since I've done makeup? Chocolate rich vibe. I got the Jordana t-shirt Twinkle Tower off TikTok. This stuff has been going viral. I got it when it was like £13. Shimmer goodness in there, but it's so difficult to open. I'm having to use my tweezers because my claws just won't do it. So you've got this one on top. How blooming gorgeous. Then you've got this shimmer, and then you've got this one, which is more of a goldy shimmer, and this one reminds me of like Midnight Cowboy. It's got like that purpley hue. Oh, I think I might use Posy, you know, because I think that'll go really nice on like the outer part, and then I'll use Key on the inner part. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna go like on the outer edge with Posy. Oh yeah. And then I'm gonna use a pencil brush and go into Key, which is this silver, and then go in the inner part. Oh guys, really hope the camera is doing this justice. Let me just turn the, look how pretty that is. It is such a gorgeous, oh, chocolatey goodness. Black Magic eye liquid eyeliner. Just these lashes that I got off Temu. Do the other eye, put the lashes on, and then I'll be right back. I quite like them. I think they're really nice, soft autumn vibes. They've got the nice warmth of the chocolate brown and then the sparkle. Oh my god, if you haven't got yourself a Jordana t-shirt Twinkle Tower, then you definitely need it. Primer, I'm going to use this one from number 7. This one I'm sure I got in the mystery bag as well. So that consistency, it feels like it's going to be like silicone, but it's not. It's like really moisturizing and it feels really nice on the skin. For foundation, I'm going to go in with the H&B one. So this is the Silky Matte Weightless Foundation, and this shade is MF4N. Bronzer, I'm going to use this one from Makeup Forever. I am in love with this, you know, a bronzer, because that is exactly what I've been using it for. I always go back in with the same brush that I used for my foundation. With this you have to be very quick using it because it dries so quickly. Colourpop blush that I also got in the mystery bag. So it's the IKTR shade, and with this you only need the tiniest tiniest little smidgen because she's very pigmented. Made by Mitchell brush, and I'm just gonna pat that. Oh my god, look how gorgeous. These two products, guys, are all over my For You page, so I had to pick them up. And I'm of course talking about the NYX blush and bronzer. So these are the Buttermelt bronzer and the Buttermelt blush from NYX, and I've got the bronzer in All Buttered Up and the blush is My Butter Half. Highly recommend these products. I've been using them to death, like behind the scenes, just to get the full vibe for you guys, because you know sometimes it can be overhyped on TikTok and stuff and you think, okay, is it good or is it not? These are definitely something to put in your makeup bag, and they're gonna last you ages because you only need the smidgenest amount because they're so pigmented. These are gonna last for ages. Oh, it is just stunning, and it's the perfect shade for me. The blush, we'll go into the blush next, and the blush is the My Butter Half. Guys, this is the best baby pink blush I have found or I've used ever. It is stunning. Oh, look at all that goodness. Oh guys, she is stunning. I'm going to put a little bit on my temples. All about the blush this season. This autumn season is all about blush. But these blushes and these bronzers, get them in your makeup bag. You definitely need them because they are bloody stunning, honey. Under the under eye, you know I don't like putting too much under there. Just like that. That's all you need. This has gone viral on my TikTok as well, and it's the L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting mist. I've been using this for like work and my makeup has not come off, guys. It's stayed exactly the same all day. It does smell like hairspray though. It's legit smells like hairspray. I'm thinking, L'Oreal, have you just put hairspray in here, babe, and calling it a setting mist? Is that the case? Because it does smell exactly like your hairspray. So, but it keeps my makeup on. Jeez, absolute straight up hairspray. And then Tony's mum gave me this because how bougie. I mean, I am using Dior, so it'd be wrong not to bring out the fan. Last thing to do now, guys, is the lips, and have I got the lip combo for the autumn feels. For your lip combo, this is going to be the best lip combo for autumn, guys. We've got Huda Beauty Muted Pink, and we've also got the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in Cheerleader. These are the best autumn lip combo. Overdraw the Cupid's bow, give us that big fuller lip. And now the magic. Is that lip combo. How bloody gorgeous is that lip combo? So this is my gonna be go-to glam for autumn. What do you guys think? Absolutely love it. Absolutely love it, guys. Like scrunching my hair up and wearing it like this. So yeah, that's the finished look using all my new products that I got in the mystery bag, and a couple of products that I picked up myself, and some products that I've been using for a while. I hope you've enjoyed, guys. Don't forget to check out the link for the Ana Luisa jewellery because I'm obsessed, guys. I'm literally obsessed with this jewellery. It's so dainty, it's so me, it's definitely my vibe, and you can get some more statement-y pieces and costumey kind of pieces if you like the big. I love those big rings that are out at the moment, those big, it's a bit like this necklace in that like oval shape but in the big size of the rings. Definitely want to like up my ring game, up my jewelry game. So yeah, thank you to Ana Luisa for reaching out to me to do this collaboration and work with you in this video, and I hope you guys love the pieces too. If you do, like I say, there is a link down below for Ana Luisa for you guys to check them out. What they've got to offer, they do necklaces, they do earrings, they do rings, they do anklets, they do bracelets, they do so much. Like if you want something big and bold, if you want something nice and elegant and stuff like that, little pieces like these earrings and this necklace that I'm wearing today, it's all down below in that link, so go check it out. And yeah, and if you do pick up some pieces, follow me over on Instagram and show me what you've picked up, because I'm nosy and I like to know. But I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you're updated every single time I upload a video, which is once a week here on my channel. And I will see you in the next one, guys. Love you so much. Bye.